Several rollbacks improved recently, it is still owed money. One question father Beaver
Great.
It requires manual intervention by staff to send them forward rather than intervention. And unfortunately, there have been cases in the past sending them in to us,
Why is it not very secure, is it? A bit wobbly, your chair.
Like a little ride.
I wonder. She's enjoying.
Just why are so many people complaining so much about how the new system is working? Well, an insider based at one of the centres processing universal credit agreed to talk to us, as long as their identity is concealed.
The training for staff running universal credit isn't relevant anymore. It doesn't reflect the recent changes to the universal credit system. Trainers point that out to the DWP, but nothing's done about it.
The whistleblower described the IT system as completely unworkable, badly designed, out of date, and says it lets them down.
The IT works for single claimants and straightforward cases. More complex claims have to be done manually.